Assalamualaikum dear friends. Today our lecture is scheduling project and float. Before going to scheduling project, we have to understand float. What is float? Here you see total float and free float. Total float, when we delay an activity using total float, automatically its successor activity also get delay. Free float, when we delay an activity using free float, its successor activity doesn't get affected. Here you see a chart view in right side and table view in left side. In table view there are two columns, total float and free float. Activity A got total float 30 days. So we have to complete this activity within 3 days, but we have 30 days more days to complete this activity. In any cases this activity is delay, our next activity D also get delay. It is a total float. Here you see free float, we got 0 free float. It means its next activity is affected if this activity is delay. Here in activity D we got 30 days total float and 30 days free float. The duration of this activity is 9 days original, but we got 7 days, but we got more 30 days to complete this activity. In any cases this activity delay doesn't affect its successor activities. Here you see its successor activity doesn't affect it. Here there is activity F, we got total float 90 days. We have to complete this activity 5 days and we got more 90 days to complete this activity. Here now you see if activity F is delay, its successor activity also get delay, but here you see we got 90 days more 90 days to complete this activity, and we got free float 0 free float. It means its next successor activity is affected if this activity is delay. Here you see G activity original duration 5 days to complete. In any cases this activity delay, we got more 26 days to complete this activity. Its activity H doesn't affected. If this activity delay, its successor activity doesn't affect it. So we also got a total 26 days free float. I hope understand. Now scheduling. Before scheduling, you have to make some checklist. In our checklist, our first step to check our project plan start date and data date in dates tabs, scheduling dates. Next is to check our calendar. In our previous lecture, I tell you how to make a calendar or change the calendar. There is a browse button. There are list of calendar are available in here. If you want to change your calendar for this project only, you have to click any of them and click select button. And how to make a calendar I already told in previous lecture calendar. Okay, there are some modification. How to do modification already tell you. Here is a tab button of modify. My cursor are moving. Modify. How to check working day, non-working day, our working total working hours per day. Here it represent 8 days. Work week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all work weeks. Now also represent Monday, Tuesday. Okay, our calendar are checked, already checked. How to modify it will also I tell you in our previous lecture. Now layout, our third step to check layout. Here WBS, check your layout. If you want to change this layout, go to layout WBS, click arrange, click one of them, then go to layout WBS, right click, arrange horizontal. Okay, check your activities names, its duration, original duration, remaining duration, start date, finish date, total float, free float. After all the check are made, you have to do scheduling. Go to scheduling icon, click. There are a window on your screen, you will see, click scheduling. Simple. I hope you understand. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.